Prune your routine, a lesson in growth. In the lush, vibrant world of gardening, routines play a vital role in nurturing and cultivating our beloved plants. One routine, in particular, stands out as a crucial step in ensuring the health and vitality of our green companions: pruning. And just like in the garden, our personal routines require the same careful attention and maintenance to thrive. Imagine a garden overflowing with unruly branches, their leaves struggling to soak up the sun's nourishing rays. The once promising buds are suffocated, unable to reach their full potential. This chaotic scene is a reflection of what happens when we neglect our routines, allowing them to grow unchecked and unproductive. Pruning, both in the garden and in our lives, is the act of deliberately removing the unnecessary and focusing on what truly matters. It's a process of letting go of what no longer serves us, creating space for new growth and possibilities. By cutting away the excess, we invite rejuvenation and allow our routines to flourish. In the garden, pruning involves selectively removing branches, leaves, or buds to promote healthier growth. It's a delicate dance between removing the old and encouraging the new. Similarly, in our lives, pruning our routines entails identifying and eliminating activities that drain our energy and hinder our progress. Think about your daily routine. Are there tasks that no longer contribute to your growth and well-being? Are there habits that have become stagnant and unproductive? It's time to take the pruning shears to these areas of your life and make room for new opportunities. By pruning our routines, we create space for self-care, personal growth, and meaningful connections. We can prioritize the activities that align with our goals and bring us joy. Just as pruning encourages plants to grow in the desired direction, we can shape our routines to steer us towards our dreams and aspirations. But pruning is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. Just as a garden requires regular maintenance, our routines need constant attention and adjustment. As we navigate life's ever-changing landscape, our priorities and needs evolve. So, we must be willing to reassess and refine our routines to ensure they continue to serve us. Now, I invite you to take a moment and reflect on your own routines. Are there areas that need pruning? What can you let go of to create space for growth and fulfillment? Embrace the transformative power of pruning and watch as your routines flourish, bringing more joy, balance, and purpose into your life. Remember, growth requires letting go. So, grab your pruning shears and embark on the journey of cultivating a thriving garden of routines that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Let the act of pruning be a reminder that sometimes less is truly more. If you found this story resonated with you, I encourage you to explore more content on our channel. Together, we can continue to cultivate a community of growth and empowerment.